end of the night and you are seeing an intro. How weird. I just took a shower. My hair is air drying. The color, all the blonde is starting to come back through, except the top, which is all new hair growth. And look how nice and shiny the top is. And then look how damaged all of this is from all of that bleach that I was using for years and years. And what's interesting is this is air dry. So it's, I guess if I were to flat iron it or blow it like I normally do, it wouldn't look so damaged. I have no product in it, but so I really don't think it's that bad, other than it needs a dye job. Anyway, what I wanted to start the video off by telling you is, while there's a ton of background noise in my house, I'm sorry. I had a stomach ache the last couple days, and I don't know what it's from. It's either the veggies or maybe some of the English muffin, maybe just some of the carbs. Maybe I'm overdoing it. I don't know. I'm having a lot of fruit. Could be all of that. I just want to give myself a break. So what I did today was I had no carb. And I still tracked and I still did everything I would normally do within the app. So I'm going to show you my day of eating without, I think I had just a couple carbs. 3, maybe 4, 5, something like that. That's it. But I didn't have anything processed. That may be an issue for me too. I don't know. It could be nerves with Molly. It could be a billion things. But I just kind of like felt bloated and just uncomfortable. So I wanted to give myself a rest. Did a lot of hiking today. You'll see what I ate, and that's going to be my day. But I wanted to share it with you because you know I'm always honest and I always tell you what's going on. This is not me going keto, not me going carnivore. This is just one day, right? So here it goes. One day of eating without processed, without, well, no, I did have one thing that was processed, the Premier Protein Shake. I just can't not have it. It's so good. That was it. And it's minimally processed. So, but the rest of my foods were not. A lot of protein and healthy fats. And I've also noticed with Weight Watchers, sometimes my fat intake is very low because fats are higher in points. So maybe that's part of it. I don't know. I really just think it's nerves, to be honest with you, between, you know, the ovary, Molly, just everything. I think it's getting to me a little bit. But anyway, I had a good day and my stomach doesn't hurt. So, and I just took a shower, like I said. So I am going to go wind down for the night and enjoy the video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. All right, guys, first meal of the day, an egg scramble. So this is 93% lean ground turkey and a little bit of egg white and a little bit of egg from the shell. And I did have a cup of coffee with my creamer. So the entire breakfast, as you can see, was 5 points. And no shocker, here is the Premier Protein. This is the chocolate peanut butter cup flavor. I found this one in Target along with the birthday cake flavor, which was really good. But this one here, this one is just my absolute favorite. This one and the coffee flavored one. And as you can see, this one is only 2 points.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now.
Oh boy, we came home starving. So I have 2 Egg Life egg white wraps. I have cooked some chuck roast in the crock pot. I have some bacon and pepper jack cheese. And as you can see, this meal alone was 23 points. So I went to 30 points for the day. And I know that's just completely above and beyond what I would normally do, but that's the kind of day it was. So I have really no remorse. I actually enjoyed the meals. And as I scroll down, I do want you to see the amount of activity points that I earned. I walked over 11,000 steps and I'm still not done for the day. Here it comes. And I gained weeklies. And there you go, guys. 11,348 steps. So look at all the weeklies that I got from this. It's just incredible. So I just wanted to show you that it can be done. All right, guys, I love you all. Have a great night, and I will see you tomorrow.